What's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Another case for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. In this case is made by dbrand. It's the Ghost Tech case, S26 Ultra. This is the clear one. This has the no yellowing lifetime guarantee. So if it yellows, you can turn it in and get another one. I've never kept one that long to see if it does do that, but you know, I might keep this one to see, depending on how it fits and how it looks. All right, but here's the box right here, dbrand, good packaging. We're gonna take this out of the box and then see what it looks like. All right, let me cut these tabs off here. All right, so let's see here. Let me check it out like this. So here's the case. I bought one of these for the Pixel 10 Pro XL, and it was all right, but I didn't like it enough to keep it, so I took it back. But we're gonna see what this one feels like. It does feel thin, doesn't feel bulky, and you know, let me get this plastic off the inside as well. We got a little bit of plastic. Okay, we got a tab. Good. This one feels light, and it looks good. See, nice, clear. You can see through. Got your MagSafe. They did a good job. I like the craftsmanship. And you see that the side, you got grip right here, and all around the case, you got the mic opening right there, lip for the camera, and also the openings. Got your mic opening and your charging port, speaker, and your S Pen. Everything is open, you know, big enough so you don't have a problem getting to it. But so far, I like the way. Now, one of the things about the Pixel case is the back, not as smooth. It's kind of raised up on the outline right there, which I don't particularly like that. It's not bad. I like a smooth round edge there. But we'll see how this one fits on the device. Let's put it on, see what it looks like. All right, so it has a nice fit, grippy. The sides are really grippy. Now, I might could use this one. I know I say that with every case, right? But this one does feel good, and doesn't add a lot of bulk, but you got good protection, and they got that anti-yellowing guarantee there. What's this right here? That not sure what that is right there. Maybe some plastic still left on the inside. I gotta take it off. But you see the openings right there. That looks pretty good. No problem. You get to the S Pen, no problem. And you have your opening for the mic. Camera's well covered. It's a nice sleek case. There's not too much lip around there, so that's pretty good. And you know, I might could use this one. It's very light. Doesn't have much bulk to the phone, and it's sticky. See, it's not going to fall off your fingers there. Doesn't slide. So this is a good case right here. All right. Now let's check out MagSafe to see how that works. Okay, we got the MagSafe right there. Works pretty well. Charging, no problem. All right, let's pull out the old charger here. All right, so it picks up charging there, no problem. You stand it up, no problem. The charging picks up there. And when you're laying down, no problem there. All right, so charging works pretty well. No problem there, okay? It's a good looking case. Take one more look right there. So you can decide whether you want to get it or not. This is good protection and not too much bulk. Good grip on the side. All right. So that's the dbrand Ghost Tech case for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now, if you have any questions, hit in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.